Hello and welcome to Teen Night. Today we're going to be making popsicle stick cell phone stands. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we have all of our materials, so our scissors, our glue, and our 10 popsicle sticks. We're going to start off by gluing our popsicle sticks together, and we're going to do that by stacking them one on top of the other. So make sure you put your glue down. And then just start stacking them like this. You're gonna do one stack of 4. Then we're also going to do a stack of 3. And make sure you press down on them. So our 2 stacks, and then you're gonna take your 2 and you're gonna make like an upside down V shape, and we are going to stack these on top, so just make sure that they're not too wide where your popsicle stick isn't going to fit. That this is a pretty good width for them. So grab your glue and also make sure that that one isn't longer than the other. All right. So we're just gonna let those dry for now, and then we'll be back. Once our popsicle sticks are dry, we're gonna wanna take our 2 that are stuck together like this, and then measure about 1.5 inches from the bottom. Just make a little mark, and then that's where we're going to glue our stacks of popsicle sticks. Glue 1 stack, flip it over, glue your 2nd stack, okay. And once again, if you want, you can use the edge to make sure that they're straight. Okay, so now we're going to let our stacks dry like that. And in the meantime, our last popsicle stick here, we want to measure out about half of it. So it's around 2 1/4. And when we have our mark, we're going to grab our scissors and then just cut it. Okay. Now that our sticks are dry, we're going to want to take the 3 sides, and then we're going to start gluing our 2 pieces that we cut out. It might take a while for them to stay up, but just make sure that you're holding on to them for a little. and then leave those to dry. If you need to add more glue, make sure you add glue on the sides or wherever it needs it. Let this dry and then you'll be all done. Alright, so here we have our almost completely dry cell phone stand, and at this point you can leave it like how it is, or if you have any paint or markers, you can go ahead and decorate your cell phone stand. And here are two cell phone stands that I decorated. I think they look pretty cute. I hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, leave us a comment. We'd love to see your creations. Thanks for watching.